I would like to wish a splendid morning and extend a warm welcome to our worthy principal ma'am, Head Engineering Sarika ma'am, Payal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I'm Astha along with my friend
Aditya.
on behalf of Class 5A are here to present our class assembly on the topic Tech Literacy Pros and Cons.
Bright and early, both shy and
Warmth and camaraderie. The essence of prayer is an intimate and profound conversation with God. Prayer does not change God, but it changes those who offer it. So, let us seize this wonderful opportunity to unite our hearts, clear our minds, and channel our collective energy towards the celestial light. So, I request you all to please rise for the morning prayer and join your hands. Brings us a new thought, new words, new strength, and endless possibilities. So, to enlighten us and brighten our morning, here comes Dhruvi to share today's thought with us.
Good morning, everyone. Thought for the day is technology is a powerful tool that can open doors to endless possibilities. I repeat, technology is a powerful tool that can open doors to endless possibilities. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Dhruvi, for that insightful thought. Let's keep this inside our hearts as we proceed.
Now let's call our news readers, Amira, Avansh and Yuvraj, who are ready to update us with all the latest happenings around the globe.
Do we need news in all the assemblies?
Astha, don't you know, news enhances our knowledge and makes us aware about what's happening around the globe.
Yes, you are right. So let's know today's headlines.
National news for today is in a first, India invites foreign diplomats to Jammu and Kashmir to witness elections. Atishi takes oath as New Delhi Chief Minister.
Sports news for today is Chess Olympiad. Indian with a chance for historic twin gold. India leads the two-match series at 1-0 with the second and the final test commencing at Kanpur on September 27. The weather report for today is maximum temperature 36 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Thank you and have a nice day.
With that insightful news update, let's move on to the next part of our assembly. Remember, staying informed is crucial for our growth and awareness.
I remember a time when the internet was luxury, not a necessity. But today, the internet is becoming the town square of the global village of tomorrow. Now, I may invite Daksh Bhavanya, Ayan Divit and Vivad to expand the knowledge horizons regarding tech literacy.